Well, first up, the government has moved to enhance bank recapitalization outlay by 1,06,000 crore rupees in the current financial year. Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said there is a need to strengthen banks and recapitalization would enhance the lending capacity of state-owned banks. Addressing the media on supplementary grants in public sector banks, Finance Minister said that the recognition of NPA or non-performing assets in the Indian banking system is almost complete and downward slide in the NPAs itself would now commence. The government will infuse 83,000 crore rupees in the public sector banks in the next 3 months to deal with liquidity issues.
The government has given concrete indications that it has seized off many matters concerning the banking sector and that the solutions are being vigorously worked out. The very important aspect which has the centre's attention is the problem of non-performing assets of banks. Addressing the media on supplementary grants and public sector banks, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said that NPA recognition is almost complete. The non-recognition is now at 0.59%, which was to the extent of 0.7% in March 2015. Jaitley said that the downward slide in the NPAs would now commence.
Recognition of the NPAs, a process which started in 2015, has made a considerable headway. It's almost complete. And at a time where it had peaked in March 2015, the non-recognition was to the extent of about 7%. That now is about 0.59. So a high provisioning has already been made by the banks as a result of disciplining which has taken place in the last few years.
Second aspect crucial to the banking sector is of the capital infusion into the public sector banks. On Thursday, government sought Parliament's approval for infusion of an additional 41,000 crore in the state-owned banks through the second batch of supplementary demand for grants. The additional tranche would enhance the total recapitalization in the current fiscal from 65,000 crore to rupees 1.06 lakh crores. In the coming 3 months, therefore, the centre would infuse around 83,000 crores in public sector banks.
At the beginning of this year, of this entire amount which had been sanctioned, a total amount of 65,000 crores was still remaining. And as of today, of that 65,000 crores, 42,000 is still remaining. And therefore, with this additional 41,000 for which we have sought a parliamentary sanction, we still, for the balance 3.5 months, will now have 42,000 plus 41,000, which is 83,000 for the balance year. And that will make this year's recap to a total of 1,06,000 crores.
The recapitalization will enhance the lending capacity of state-owned banks and help them come out of the RBI's prompt corrective action framework. More capital will take some PSBs out of the PCA framework. With infusion of money and NPA recognition, the turnaround process for the banking sector might as well have begun. With inputs from Anuj Yadav in New Delhi, DD News.